Houston, Delta 1164, Limerick Tower, runway 9, line up and wait, traffic on the 9-mile final.
Line up and wait, runway 9, Delta 1164.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy. Do you have Charlie 3?
Negative, 5 Yankee.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, continue down. Do you have room at Charlie 2 to exit or Bravo 1?
Lufthansa 5 Yankee will check, continue further on and we check Charlie 2, otherwise Bravo 1.
Charlie 2 is preferred, the left turn off for Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy.
Oh, sorry, you did surprise it quite a bit for Charlie 3, sorry.
No, you're fine. It was just the last minute plan.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee, we need to take a right turn Bravo 1.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, roger. Right turn Bravo 1 and right turn Bravo, contact ground.
Right Bravo 1, right Bravo, and contact ground Lufthansa 5 Yankee.
JetBlue 620, I don't know if they're going to have room.
JetBlue 620, roger. Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, you on? Southwest 3391, continue for now, be ready for a ground.
Ground from Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, Bravo 1, hello?
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, Limerick Tower. Do you have enough room to get past the JetBlue there?
Actually not sure, we need to check out Lufthansa 5 Yankee.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, roger. Just advise, please, as soon as you can tell.
Southwest 3391, go around, climb maintain 5000, fly heading 090.
Around 5,000, heading 090, South 391.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee, unable to pass, I'm sorry.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, roger. No worries.
JetBlue 620, can you make that left turn onto Bravo, left back onto Delta?
We're pretty much stuck here.
Okay. Delta 1164, taxi down the runway and exit at Bravo 8.
Taxi down the runway and exit at Bravo 8, Delta 1164.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy, just continue standing by.
We hold position, Lufthansa 5 Yankee Heavy.
Take us over to SoCal for 3391?
Yeah, stand by for 3391. JetBlue 620, I just wanted to double check. You don't think you can make that turn or don't feel comfortable?
Yeah, it looks too tight for us.
Okay.
What's the reason for us going around for 3391?
Southwest 3391, there was an aircraft on the runway. Contact took a departure 124.35. We'll see you back in a bit.
We're at 35, no worries, sir. I got Southwest 432, gate 13, push with hotel.
Southwest 432, Limerick ground, stand by, it's going to be a while.
Good.
Horizon 2058, do we have landing clearance?
Horizon 2058. Go around out of 900 feet. Fly heading 090, maintain 5000.
Around 500 feet, 090, 5000, Horizon 2058.
6 Charlie Romeo, just to confirm, is that aircraft going to be clear of the runway?
Working on it. Stand by. Horizon 2058, contact SoCal 124.35. We'll see you back in a minute.
124.35, Horizon 2058.
Premier 6 Charlie Romeo, runway 9, clear to land.
Clear to land 9, 6 Charlie Romeo.
Ground American 2885.
American 285, go ahead.
Yeah, as long as the wind stays, we can take a runway 9 departure.
American, have you seen the new tailwinds for that runway?
Yeah, that's what we were basing it on. We're showing 5 knots. Calling American on the winds. Can you come at 12345?
Yeah, 1627 Limerick Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Runway 27, United 1627.
Yeah, 1627, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 27, we're up to 4,000 United 1627.
Affirmative. American 2974 Limerick Tower, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up in way 27, American 2974.
Lufthansa 5 Yankee, any ideas already?
This is 5 Yankee Heavy. We're going to tow out for JetBlue, and then they're going to get pushed back, which should clear up enough room for you to taxi. So give us about 5 to 10 more minutes.
Thanks. Are we losing the 27 window?
Yeah, we're doing some coordination. We're going to, yeah.
Okay. Should we shut down then?
JetBlue 620, yeah, you can shut down. We got a hold of your tow. They're sending your company. They're sending a tow out to push you back a couple feet, and then we're still working on all the other coordination.
Okay, that wasn't us, but I guess that's planned in, so we will shut down for JetBlue 620.
JetBlue 620, yeah, you guys can shut down over there. As soon as I find out more, I'll let you guys know.
Okay, thank you. And Tower for United 2615 behind the JetBlue, do you want to shut down as well?
United 2615, yeah, you guys can shut down as well. As soon as I find out a window, we're going to try to expedite the process for you guys. It's kind of crappy. I'll let you know.
Copy that.
Granite Canada 1094 is at spot 1 behind Japan Airlines.
Okay, 1094, Lambert Ground, roger, it's going to be a while.
Can we check things?
Hey, Ground American 2885.
Go ahead.
Sorry about this last time. We're going to take runway 27 and we'll hold position here.
Okay, roger, give clearance a call, 125.9.
Right.
Opposite direction departures.
Ground JetBlue 620, you got a moment?
Go ahead.
I don't know how long it's going to take to get the tug out here and to get the process of getting off the ground, but we're coming up on DOT 2-hour tarmac rule in about 16 minutes, so you can expect we're probably going to have to go back to the gate after this, the door.
Roger, thanks.
American 1049.
Go ahead.
Yeah, hey, I know you got your hands full, but if we keep pushing airplanes, we're never going to get out of the spot we're in here to get to the other side to get in the line.
Yes, I'm very well aware of that. Thank you. JetBlue 620 tows on the way. They are pretty much a beam alpha now.
All right, thanks for the update, JetBlue 620.
South 894 ground.
With the ceiling and visibility coming up quite a bit, any chance y'all switching to 27?
Not just yet. We need we need an extra 100 feet.
Okay, what do y'all need, 800?
Yeah, 800.
Gotcha, thank you.